So we're going to continue and actually finish chapter 21 this week. But before we get into this first set of videos, I want to talk about some scheduling for the rest of the semester. So we just have 2 weeks left of kind of lecture normal schedule, and then the final exam is the week after that. So importantly, lecture, having 2 videos a week with the Tuesday and Friday participation, that's going to stay the same for these next 2 weeks as we finish out April. Homeworks, we're going to have the Wednesday homework and the Saturday homework. That's going to be all the same. Where we're going to see differences is in lab for each week, where we're going to see some kind of variability in the schedule. So first off, the lab technique presentation is due this week. So hopefully you turned in a topic and a format by April 10th in the questionnaire. You can always look at your results if you don't remember what you picked. You're also welcome to change if you really want to. It just needs to be something in there. And if you're going to change to presenting on campus, you need to tell me. That's the biggest point for that is the in-person schedules on campus. So whenever you picked, whatever day you picked, whatever time, that's when we're going to plan to meet. I will be sending you an email about meeting ahead of time. So if you want to check for that. Otherwise, the videos are going to be due on Thursday, the 23rd. So you're going to email them to me. You're not going to turn them in on Blackboard. So you can either do that by uploading it to YouTube and sending me the link, or you can share the file via OneDrive or Dropbox or Box, whatever, or just try to, if you've recorded on a PowerPoint, you can just send the PowerPoint. You don't even have to create a video because the narration will stay on the slides. And if you have any questions about turning it in, let me know. I've done this enough. I know kind of what you need to do. The next week, we're going to have a lab practical, which will be on campus Wednesday, the 29th. At 11 a.m. So there's a participation quiz that we'll do beforehand, and then we'll go at 11:20 to go do the lab practical. So we'll meet and do the participation quiz first. It'll be just a set of simple activities based on things you've done. I'll post a folder. It'll be a folder posted on the Blackboard with kind of topics from the different labs of things I might expect you to do. This is not meant to be very difficult. You're not going to be coming up with experiments you've never seen before. Instead, you're going to be analyzing data from experiments we did or simulated experiments, right? I'm going to set it up where, we're done and you're going to analyze based on that. We're going to think, do you know equipment? Can you follow protocols, right? I might have you follow steps and then analyze the results from that as kind of the stuff of what we're looking for with the lab practical. And again, there's a folder on Blackboard with guidance on topics you would need to potentially be aware of. Other than that, we got to get into this week. First set of videos, we've got a participation. If you have any questions about any of these kind of lab assignments, the lab technique presentation or the lab practical, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to week 14. I'll see you in the videos. Bye-bye.